The Trade Unions Act, 1926. The Trade Unions Act, 1926, is an Indian law that provides for the registration of trade unions and in certain respects to define the law relating to registered trade unions. It was enacted on 25 March 1926 and came into force on 1 June 1927. Key points of the Act. Registration. 7 or more members of a trade union can apply for its registration under this Act. Rules. The Act contains provisions on the rules of a trade union, including its objectives, membership, funds, and management. Rights and obligations. The Act defines the rights and obligations of registered trade unions, such as the right to hold property, enter into contracts, and sue or be sued. Restrictions. The Act also imposes certain restrictions on registered trade unions, such as the prohibition on strikes and lockouts in public utility services. Dispute settlement. The Act provides for the settlement of disputes between trade unions and employers through conciliation and arbitration. Here are some of the important sections of the Act. Section 2. Definition of trade union. Section 5. Application for registration. Section 6. Provisions to be contained in the rules of a trade union. Section 7. Registration of trade unions. Section 8. Cancellation of registration. Section 16. Returns. Section 22. Restrictions on legal proceedings. Section 29. Unfair labor practices. Additional information. The Trade Unions Act, 1926, has been amended several times since its enactment. The most recent amendment was made in 2018. The Act is administered by the Ministry of Labour and Employment, India. I hope this information is helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions.